little bit of insider info for you guys. Turn that down a little bit. So this right here is the official spot where Southern Drawl Band was born. I was 2010. I was driving to Illinois, and I had just bought Zach Brown's "You Get What You Give" album, and I picked up Old Crow Medicine Show's album because they had the song "Wagon Wheel," which wasn't super popular at the time, but I'd been getting a lot of requests for it in Knoxville when I was playing. And so, in listening to both albums, the most prominent instrument on the albums was a fiddle. And that's not something you see very often in bars. And I had an old friend who played guitar for a band years ago I was in, who used to play a little fiddle. So I called him up at this spot and I said, "Hey man, I got a crazy idea." At the time I was just playing me on a bar stool with a dream to one day have a band to go on the road and tour and play my own music. And I called him up and said, "Hey man, you still got that old fiddle laying around?"
We're all set. Drive safely. Continue straight for 15 minutes to exit 15, US 25W, Williamsburg.
All right, you done, Waze? All right, back to the story. So, anyway, I called him up and said, "Hey, you got that old fiddle laying around? Come out to my show next week, and I got an idea. We're going to try something." And obviously, it worked out. That guy's name was Rich. Most of you guys wouldn't know him. He was just around in the early days, but that was the idea that spawned the idea that started the Southern Drawl Band. And about 6 months later, old Larry Dunsmore showed up for a show, and we found our drummer, and that was it. So there's the spot, mile marker 158 on 75 North in Kentucky. How I remember this, I don't know, but I remember exactly where it was. Thank you, Waze. If you don't have Waze, you just might as well download it, because it's the only way to travel. We would be sitting in about an hour's worth of traffic about 2 miles ahead. And all those poor souls that I see passing by on the interstate behind us, well, they're going to be sitting in traffic for the rest of the afternoon. And Waze is taking us the long way around, but at least we keep moving. Apparently, all the people in this row have Waze, because there's no other reason to get off of this exit in the middle of nowhere.
Use the left lane to keep left.
Hey, look at that. The weatherman was wrong. Again. We are here at Palm Tree Paradise, a little piece of paradise in Lexington, Kentucky, of all places. I didn't know they had palm trees this far north, but apparently they do, because they're right there. Yep, this is one of our favorite venues. We're going to have about 80 people out today. It's going to be a huge one. Stage is right over here. We got a bar. We already got some people here, ready to go. These are the collection agents, the collectors. Yeah. You don't want to see a mad Southern woman, so you better pay them. That's right. So this is gorgeous property. Absolutely gorgeous. Huge. Tons of room. We're talking about maybe one day trying to do an event here, like a weekend thing, to bring everybody to Kentucky. Because, I mean, just look at this backyard. It's just perfect. Gorgeous. Goes all the way back to the woods. Get deer up here and stuff. So yeah, we're loading in, and we made it to Nicholsville, Kentucky, which is basically Lexington, just outside of Lexington, and horse country, Derby country up here. All right, I'll be back.
Life sure don't shut. Yeah, Saturday night's only $5.99 for a half dozen of beer and a lime. They break them open as quick as you eat them. Man, this is the life. Man, I see old folks sitting in front porch, sipping sweet tea, selling beans. As cars roll by,
Mike, great show, man. Awesome again. Thank you very much for the CD. Happy birthday to my brother Chris.
She's sitting on blocks and all.
Kiss cam. I
got a rusty old tractor. He's waving me on by. He's headed for a field to plow. I guess it all takes time out on the back road. Yeah, the back roads.
All right, we are heading out. It is the morning after. You'd never know that there was 100 people here last night. But Palm Tree Paradise, big check mark. Thank you guys so much for an awesome time. Say bye to Rick and Brenda, everybody. We'll see you down the road. So I'm here at the studio recording the new album that you guys will be hearing here in a few months, couple months, something like that. And you're going to hear a voice on a song called Juniper Man. You've never heard this song before. It's a great song. I love this song. And I'll tell you the story later, but I wanted to show you the cameo appearance of my friend Barry Coggins right here.
Everybody.
Yeah, in the flesh.
The man.
You guys in Trop Rock world, you may know Barry as half of 360 degrees.
360 degrees.
So he's like 180 degrees, this guy.
You got a martini glass right here.
Frankenstein, I didn't know he drank martinis. So yeah, we're in the studio cutting this stuff up. Can't wait for you guys to hear it.
It's a hoot. It sounds great.
He
Great.
did
It's
such
gonna be
a
a
great
great
job.
album.
I love his songs. I'm so glad. And we wrote Flip Flop Fits together with Kevin Douglas. So
Yes.
try to get
That'll
a
be on
cameo
the album.
from him.
And
It will.
Best kind of friend.
Yeah.
And
There's
Dave Dave is
back
killing
there.
it back here.
Slaughtering it.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, I'll check back in. Just push everybody. That's all we do. Let's go make some poor decisions.
Yeah.
All right, now let me get you another track. 'Cause
Just gonna see if I had another lower part.
So you want to stack it? Okay. That's
Here we go.
a pretty voice. Son. Hurry before you lose it. I'll change that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, son, that is the Eagles right there.
Let's get it. We
Show the inner workings, how it really happens.
Surgeons.
The back half of the it does. Okay. Very cool. I think we have a map.
All right, let's go.
It's an extra step that he does on that walk up.
It's
which I
walking
like.
up to a 6 over 1 sharp. It's just going on up to it.
Instead of doom doom doom, it's doom doom.
Gotcha.
I forgot how it is now. It's doom doom doom. I love it, man.
Yeah, because you think it's going to be a ballad, but it's not.
We're making poor decisions.
This is dedication right here. We're still working. It is 1:30 in the morning. That is morning, people. Yeah,
Ain't no pussies around here.
that's right. We get it done, and we've done some freaking awesome work today. Fantastic, Dave. Thank you very much for your
Yes, sir, brother.
awesomeness. Oh, we're on video.
Shaking your hand on video, man.
I'm using this as proof of life.
Yeah, proof of life. Yeah,
At 1:30 in the morning. I believe it. Driving all the way to Knoxville. All right, it's been a long day,
Yes, it has.
but it's been a fun day. We've had a blast. Look who showed up to visit. We are
Wow.
done with vocals for the most part. There might be a few little things here and there, but for the most part, I think we're done with vocals. And so we're going to send some tracks off to, we've got Donnie Brewer coming in on this CD. We got John Patty and some other guys. Got some horn players from New Orleans. So Barry's already on it today.
Yeah.
All right, so we are doing our celebratory whiskey shot
Yes, yes, yes.
for having the vocals done. I can destroy my...
Gifted to the studio
Yeah, and who gave you this?
by Mr. Jordan Oakes,
Jordan Oak.
a upcoming artist, and
Yeah.
he's very good.
Yeah, he keeps
Promise
telling me
you.
about it.
Watch for him.
All right,
Watch for him.
we're going to do it.
He's
Here we
excellent.
go.
He's better than very good.
Better than very good.
Better.
He says that about everybody. Okay, hola amigo, Rafael. Esta mis amigos in Kentucky. We're going to do El Jugador. We're going to do El Jugador. Para tu, mi amigo. And you guys, well, of course you know it. I know you know it. So sing it along. Let's sing this for my buddy Rafi. On a warm summer's eve, train bound for nowhere, met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness. Boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were, by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice.
So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, if you're gonna play the game, oh, you gotta learn to play it right. Everybody gotta know when to hold, know when to fold, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count it when the dealing's done. Every hookah knows that the secret to survive is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep.